Hi and welcome everyone. Today's dish is the Malabar spinach sambar or basale as it is locally known. It is a green leafy vegetable rich in iron, vitamin A and C and other minerals. An easy way to include this into your diet is this nutritious sambar. Let's take a look at how to make this. Separate the leaves from its stem, wash and chop. The tender part of the stem also can be used for this sambar. I made this sambar when the spinach was growing in abundance here. So you can see I have a really big bunch of the Malabar spinach. Add the leaves to a deep bottom vessel. Add enough water so that the leaves cook really well. Alternatively, you can even cook this in a pressure cooker, which is much faster. To this, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as needed. Cover and cook. Now let's make the masala. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil. To that, add 1/4 cup of coriander seeds, a teaspoon of jeera, a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Saute on a medium flame. Now add about 7 to 8 garlic flakes. Garlic only enhances the flavor of the sambar. Time to add the dry red chillies. Here I have used a few for the color and a few for spice. 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Roast all the spices well until they change color and turn aromatic. Now allow the spices to cool. Meanwhile, you can see our Malabar spinach is boiling away. Now add about 1/4 cup of fresh grated coconut. Add the roasted spices. Add enough water and grind it into a smooth paste. Meanwhile, our spinach is well cooked. Add about 1/4 cup of tamarind water and allow to cook for a few minutes. Keep cooked dal ready. Add about 1/2 cup of tur dal. Mix and give it a quick boil. Now add the ground masala. You can see what a beautiful color the sambar has got now. At this stage, check for salt or tamarind and add if needed. Allow it to boil for a few minutes. Let's get the seasoning ready. You need about 7 to 8 garlic flakes. Pound them and remove the skin. Heat up 2 teaspoon coconut oil. Once it heats up well, add the crushed garlic. Saute for a few minutes until they turn brown. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds, dry red chilli, and lastly curry leaves. Add the seasoning to the sambar. Give it a good mix and it's ready. This sambar's taste is more enhanced when you boil it and consume it again for dinner. Absolutely delicious and nutritious, and an easy way to include this into your diet is this Malabar spinach sambar. Do try out this recipe and thank you.